This is the basketball warm-up developed by your Emoji team. And this is called toe heel walks. I want you to go ahead and begin. Get high up on those toes. As you walk, keep your weight through the ball of your foot, staying nice and tall through your spine. Come back, I want you to stay on your heels. Pull your toes up towards your shin. Keep walking, stay nice and tall. Perform 1 time down, 1 time back. The next exercise is butt kickers. I want you to start at an end line, and I want you to slowly bring your heel towards your butt, staying on the balls of your feet, alternating legs, moving in a slow jogging motion, allowing your arms to swing from your ear to your hip. I want you to go across the court and back, approximately 30 seconds each direction. Next, we're going to move on to the hips, and we're going to perform leg swings across. Place your hands on a stationary object or a wall, stand nice and tall through your spine. I want you to slowly swing your leg across your body, back and forth, allowing your toe to come down towards the floor as you come across, and out and away towards the ceiling as you come away from the body. Perform this for 30 seconds on each side. This will ensure to warm up your hips. The next exercise is a lateral shuffle. You'll assume a ready stance, feet parallel, right to left, left to right, for approximately 30 seconds, down and back. Next, we're going to warm up the spine performing trunk rotations. Take a parallel stance, arms out to your side, slowly rotate through your trunk and through your spine, rotating from side to side, staying nice and tall. Allow your feet to pivot. Perform for 30 to 60 seconds to get that back warmed up. Arm swings. Place both arms up in a shoulder press position, palms facing in. Slowly allow one arm to fall down to your side, swinging back slightly behind the hip, bringing it back up and forward towards the overhead position, next allowing the other side to fall down. Again, back behind the hip, swinging back up to an overhead position. Alternate arms, move at a comfortable speed. Perform this motion for 30 to 60 seconds or until you feel the muscles are warm. The next exercise is the forward head roll. Slowly bring your chin to your chest, roll your ear towards your shoulder. Next, move back to the center, eyes looking to the floor, rotating to the opposite side, ear towards your shoulder, again holding for about 2 seconds, and repeating 5 to 10 times for approximately 30 seconds. This concludes our basketball warm-up. Performing this warm-up prior to playing will increase your performance, decrease your risk of injury, and keep you in the game.